Hello.
Yes.
Did you like this party?
I do. It's a very good party, yeah.
So what are you doing here? All right. Did you enjoy it here or what are you doing here?
I live here my home is Lahore now. I live here in Kant and I work full-time in Pakistan.
So where you basically belongs to?
I'm sorry?
Where are you basically belongs to?
Well, I'm from America, but now I live in Pakistan, in Lahore.
So you want to be nationalized from our country?
No, I'm American. I will always be American. But I do like Pakistan. I like Lahore. I like Punjabi culture, Punjabi music, and Punjabi food. And of course, the women in Punjab are beautiful.
Thank you so much, guys. You know this. He is basically from America, but he want to be a Pakistani because he likes your culture and he likes everything from Pakistan. But he want to be a Pakistani. So thank you, Sarim. Thank you very much. He want to be a Pakistani. Basically, he's from America, but he want to be a Pakistani. That means there is something in our country. If we want, so we can do something for our country. Thank you so much. You're welcome.